Hello everyone, this is Della and today we will be making some clam and wine sauce. So we have our olive oil in a pan. We want to start sauteing this garlic. It will be garlic roasted. So we're going to put this garlic in here, just a tad bit. Then start making a gravy. And we're going to start throwing some flavor with it. Cilantro. Some black pepper. And we're going to put some salt. Then we're going to stir it up. Now here comes the good part. Here comes the wine. Just a little bit. We will be using this wine today. Throw some basil in that wine. And let it cook all up. Just a little. Make that sauce. We're going to put our clams in it now. Make sure your clams are closed. Make sure they close. And we're going to make some red lentil spaghetti with it to go with the clam. It's a good source of plant-based protein. You want to keep them covered until they bust open. So when they bust open, you want to remove the ones that bust open out. So let's remove them out. So these that came open, you just want to start taking them out. Just start taking the ones that bust open out. So those are done. You don't want them to overcook. And give it time for the other ones to come open. You're going to put that lid back on it. Let the other ones come open. Or this open. Let's get this out. Okay, now the key to clams, they got to be closed when you cook them and open while they're cooking and close before you cook them. So if they don't open like these right here, you just throw them out. Okay, so now we're about to mix this sauce inside of our lentil spaghetti. Put a nice creamy sauce. And toss our clams, our cooked clams, and mix it up. It's nicely coated and mixed up. Now we're going to plate it. Okay, now here's the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. If you're welcome, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good night or a good day, whichever way it may be. And I'm going to pair it with the same wine that I put it inside the wine sauce. The same wine. We will be drinking that with the plate.